Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share your Amazon list with others. Whether you want to share a wish list with family for gift ideas or collaborate on a shopping list with friends, this process makes it incredibly simple to give anyone access to view your curated items. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. This will give you access to all your saved lists and account features. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, look for the section labeled Your Lists. Here you'll find all the lists you've created, whether they're wish lists, shopping lists, or any custom lists you've set up. Click on the specific list you want to share. Once your chosen list opens, look to the upper right panel of the screen. You'll notice a share button positioned right beside the three dotted lines. This share button is your gateway to making your list accessible to others. Click on it to proceed. A menu will pop up with sharing options. From these options, click on View Only. This setting is important because it ensures that anyone with the link can see your list but won't be able to make any changes or edits to it. This keeps your list secure while still allowing others to browse through the items you've added. After selecting View Only, you'll see a Copy Link button appear. Click on this button to copy the shareable link to your clipboard. This link is what you'll send to anyone you want to share your list with, whether through email, messaging apps, or social media. And that's it. You can now share your Amazon list with anyone you choose. The copied link is ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Now, if you want to verify that the link works properly before sending it to others, here's a quick test. Open a new tab in your browser and paste the link you just copied. This will show you exactly what others will see when they access your shared list, giving you peace of mind that everything appears as intended. You've successfully learned how to share your Amazon list, making it easy to collaborate with others or simply let people know what items you're interested in. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.